Dalton, is it better to film that way or straight up and down? Trevor was doing straight up and down yesterday, I thought. Really? Yeah? Does it matter?
I like this way.
Okay, well, hey, we're up at Red River Auto Group. It's up here at the Toyota store today, Ford and Toyota. But we're focused on Toyotas. Check this out, folks. It's a all-new 26 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. That's a lot of words. A lot of words saying this truck is awesome. We don't get many of them per year. You hardly see any of them out on the road. But if you want to take it off-roading, that's the vehicle for you. And this color, look, I mean, we weren't really expecting to get one this color until maybe June. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, we've already got it here. Check it out. Look at the interior. I don't know. We got the, oh, it's unlocked. Look at that interior. Black leather loaded TRD Pro steering wheel. Check out the radio. I mean, if you've not been able to drive one of these new iForce Max Tundras, you need to come up here to win and drive it, or just give us a call. We'll bring it straight to your driveway and let you drive it. But I got a feeling this sucker will probably disappear today as soon as we put it out there and let people know we have it. Look over here. Speaking of TRD Pros, something else. I bet we only get, I know a couple years ago we only sold 4 of these all year long. They're so hard to come by. But that's a white, red leather interior. Dalton, I don't know if you can walk in there and see it, but red leather interior Sequoia TRD Pro sitting right there, folks. That's taking luxury off-road. You're going to want to come buy that vehicle. Does that sound good? Taking luxury really off-road? Good. I made that up. And then look, if you're thinking, Mitch, we don't want to go off-road. You know, we like to stay on the street. Well, actually, we don't even like going to the gas station. You can come on right over here and buy this Toyota BZ BEV. All electric. We hopefully only get one a year because they don't sell well. A lot of people don't like electric. I don't know why. But you can lease this car. I think we figured it around $390 a month. So you get a 2-year lease, $390 a month, never go to the gas station. And then when you're done with it in 2 years, you just turn it in. What a better deal than that. Come up here, check us out. We've got a slew of Tacomas. We got 14 more coming. You can lease a Tacoma 4-wheel drive for as low as $411 a month. That's a deal. And then I'm just going to go ahead and throw another lease out there we figured on a Ford Escape Hybrid, $383 a month. Check us out right here, Red River Ford Toyota, and win. Nobody's going to give you a better deal on a Toyota or a Ford than us.